Now we're ready to connect our Outlook Microsoft Mail account. So I'm going to head on up to Add Account. I'm going to select this Microsoft option. Before I click Connect, a few things to note. Whatever mail account you're currently logged into, whatever Microsoft email you're logged into, that is the email that Mailshake is going to automatically try to connect. So make sure you're logged into the correct email account, and that will be the one that gets connected. So I'm going to click connect, and it'll automatically do it for me here in just a moment. Boom! And now I have the opportunity to schedule my rules for my sending calendar as well as my setting up my signature. I'm going to save that for later. If you're having trouble connecting your Microsoft Mail account, we do have a troubleshooting guide I want to share with you. If you just type in troubleshooting, you're going to see a couple little guides pop up, but it's this one, this troubleshooting Outlook, Exchange, or Office 365 mail accounts. This shows you how you can sign out of a Microsoft account. I know that that sounds really strange, but sometimes Microsoft can make it really difficult to log out of account. So that can be really helpful. And then sometimes Microsoft will actually stop the ability to connect if it's finding some unusual activity. So you can just verify that it's you, and just say, yep, this was me. And then refresh your browser and try connecting your mail account again. And that usually does the trick. So that is how you connect your Microsoft account.